Hey guys, Mike here with Big Bait Posse. We got another float trip here. Waiting on Scott and Mike to come up right now. Do us a favor and hit that subscribe button, like and comment on this video. Hope to get on some fish here. They what?
Probably. There's a bunch of line hung out back there. I broke off in there somewhere. Probably mine. Should be an underspin on it. Except for that tree right there.
I see it over there fluttered.
Is that it?
I see it fluttered in the breeze, Scotty.
Do you really?
Yeah. No, I don't. I'm just aggravating you where you said you lost that spinnerbait. And you had to go back up the river 50 yards because you seen it fluttering in the tree.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
I heard that.
you ain't forgot about that, have you?
No.
I ain't gonna let you forget about that shit.
That was that
I ain't gonna let you forget about that.
That's that money maker color. I like pretty good. I only had that was on my last one.
I don't know what was better, the fish or the story that you told about the spinnerbait hanging in the tree.
I got good stories. They're always entertaining.
Did anybody else say anything to you about that thing hanging in the tree? That spinnerbait? They're supposed to.
He told me about it. He told me about it.
Oh, did he? Yeah, somebody was supposed to say something to you about that.
Well, usually what happens on the river stays on the river.
Well, you throw that shit out the window.
I always have. Ever since we've been fishing, it's been that way.
That ain't what Rob Seals tells me.
There's always yeah, there ain't no secrets on the water.
That's the first thing out of his mouth. Next thing you know, when you're driving to Newport, you see it up on a billboard somewhere. There's one. It's on that worm. It's on that worm. There's one. On that worm. There's one, golly. That's a tank. Ah. Oh man. That's a monster, boys. Yeah, golly. I swear. This is something else right here. Just stay on, boy. Just stay on. Huh? That's better than good. That might be what I'd call great old big. I swear. This is something else right here. Just stay on, boy. Just stay on. Look at that. I thought it was hung up. There's one. Another good little smallmouth. There's one. Yeah. Yeah, that's where Mike went. He went up that creek. He said he was going up that creek. There's another hit, Scotty. There's another. Yeah. There's another one. I need to call Mike, tell him to spinner bait the crap out of this bank. Golly, there's another one. God almighty, Scotty. I'm on them, son. I'm on them. you doing there, pot liquor? I'm fishing. Yeah. No, I'm in a kayak. We're fishing in kayak.